What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial on the Metricool social media management platform and how to use it and its different features and benefits. So Metricool is a all-in-one social media management platform which can allow you to connect all your social media accounts, so Facebook, Twitter, or now X, Instagram, TikTok and others, to control or schedule your posts. So you can schedule for weeks or even months ahead of time and posts. You can schedule your post and they'll get posted automatically. You can follow up on how your posts are doing, so statistics, views, interaction, stuff like that. You can view all the hashtags and you can manage hashtags as well as the times you view on which time you should post to get the maximum views, and so much more. So let's get right to it. First of all, here you need to go to their website, that's metricool.com, and you will go to their homepage right here. Here you can see some of the benefits and screenshots of the platform itself and some major companies that are using it. And here they give you like some simple benefits and some simple features. So you can automate processes, unify tools, and here you get some of the benefits. So you can schedule months worth of content, as you can see in this screenshot right here. Many posts and content is scheduled. And you can select the best hours and hashtag to post to get the most interactions and views, approve the scheduled content, measure the results, and so much more. And you can also interact with the posts from one place, so you can reply to comments, you can interact with your followers right from within one place, so the followers of all the platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, so you don't need to go to each individual program and interact with the comments and stuff like that. You can analyze the posts, how they are doing, link your strategic content, and create visual reports. So here, this tool is authorized by this many platforms right here and many others. And you get here some reviews from Trustpilot and other websites and some questions to get answered. Now, to get started, you can log in if you already have an account, and you can sign up for free to create your free account. However, let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly before signing up and creating our free account. Now here, they allow you to choose from Euro and USD. They have a free plan, which is of course free, and the starter plan from like $18 a month with an annual payment. The advanced, which is $45 per month, and the enterprise from $139 a month. Now the free plan allows you to manage all your brand's social media accounts, excluding LinkedIn and Twitter analytics, and plan up to 50 pieces of contents per month, analyze up to 5 competitors' profiles to see how the competitor profile are doing, and apply the same strategies. Creation of one link in bio through smart links, so the link to add to your bio. Access with analytics within 3 months of historical data, so you can view the statistics analytics for up to 3 months before, and utilize the AI assistant. So I think that the free plan is basically great for anyone who's just starting up and they don't want to pay like a large sum of money for them to try out the service for themselves. So let's go ahead and sign up for the free plan. And now I need to enter my email address and password to create my account. And of course, I have read and accepted the legal terms of Metricool. Now I'll go ahead and enter my email and password and then get back to you pretty quickly. Okay, now that I've entered my email and password, I'll just click on let's go here. And now they've sent a confirmation email to my inbox. So I need to open my inbox and confirm my email. So I'll go and do this right away. Okay, this is the email sent by them. And I need to click on this button to verify my email. And now it'll open up the Metricool website once again. And here I'm on my main dashboard. So let's close this page. Okay, now I can get the premium right here. And now I have the brands here. I have empty brands because I have no networks connected. And here they give me like a wide array of social media networks to connect and be able to manage their account. So you have web, you can connect a web page or a blog. You have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. You can link TikTok personal or business account, Google Business, YouTube, as well as Twitch, Facebook ads, Google ads, Looker Studio, and TikTok ads. So here I can go ahead and link any social media profile that I want to. So let's connect our Pinterest account just to show you how it works. As an example, click on connect Pinterest account. it'll open up a pop-up, and if you're signed in on the same browser with your Pinterest account, it gives you like a permission, or Pinterest asks for a permission to give access to Metricool. So give access, okay. And now our Pinterest account is now connected. Now let's try our Twitter account, for example. Click on connect. And here you can enter your username and password and then sign in to connect your Twitter account. And the same would like Facebook and like Twitter and Instagram and any other account. So let's connect our TikTok, for example. Okay, and I need to authorize Metricool to access TikTok as well. So connect, continue. And now I've connected, as you can see, 2 profiles here. Now let's go ahead and like view the analytics. Okay, configure the engagement ratio formula. Okay, let's keep it as it is for now. And now I can view the analytics. So for Pinterest, I can view the analytics. Of course, there is nothing to show because this is like a newly created account. But I can view the followers, the posts, and all types of analytics, such as interactions, like, comments, share, and posts. And here I have the inbox, where I can view all my messages from the platforms that I connected. And the platforms that support so are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google Business, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And for the planning here, I can plan the posts. So I can choose the date and time. So if I click right, like for example, on the Thursday 25th at 9 a.m., I can click. And here, as you can see, the timestamp is selected here, is like set. April 25th at 10 a.m. I can add the post, and here I can choose which platform I want to post on, so Pinterest or TikTok, or both of them. Let's say, for example, this is test post, and then here I need to add an image or video, since Pinterest, of course, doesn't allow like for text posts. I need to add a pin with an image, so let's add an image from URL or from computer. Let's add it from my computer. Let's add this random image of a computer mouse. Okay, and now I can edit image, I can add notes, and here I need to add a board where this is published. Let's go to Pinterest presets, and I can select the board. Don't have any boards. Let's add a board. Let's name it like test, for example. Okay, the test board is now added. Let's accept. And here, as you can see, the warnings are now gone, since I created a post successfully that matches Pinterest criteria. And now I can schedule this post right here. And when the time comes, here, as you can see, the post is scheduled, and when the time comes, it will be automatically posted on Pinterest. So let's create another post, and this time for TikTok. And as you can see, TikTok here, add at least 1 image or video, and auto publish. I need in the TikTok privacy, who can view. I can select the privacy here, privacy option, or in the global setting, auto publish is now selected, or I can unselect it if I want to. Now here, of course, I cannot publish this since I selected a past date. Let's select like let's cancel for now. Let's okay, accept. Let's select like Saturday 27th, TikTok, and now the warnings are now gone. Now I need to add a video or photo, add a description if I want to, with hashtags and so on, and I can view how it look like on a mobile or desktop. Now let's cancel it for now. And here I have the smart links options. I can create my first smart link, connecting multiple links in social media in a clickable button, that which like a link that is like added in the Instagram bio, where the clients, when he clicks or the follower clicks on it, it gives them a page where with multiple links. So a link to my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on, since sites like Instagram only allows the addition of 1 link in the bio. Now here I can view the ads. I can set up ads if I want to through Facebook, Google accounts, and TikTok ads. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to set up the Metricool platform and connect your social media accounts to, and follow up your posts and manage and schedule your social media platforms through it.